Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your laptop is powered and you're signed in as an administrator. Once done, press the Windows key, type Power and Sleep and hit Enter. This opens the main page. You do this because sleep settings live in two places, Basic and Advanced, and you need admin rights to change advanced options. Make sure the screen lock timing is acceptable before proceeding. You'll adjust sleep timers next to keep the system awake when you want it. Now you fine-tune advanced options. Click Additional Power Settings, choose the active plan and select Change Plan Settings. Then open Change Advanced Power Settings because that reveals sleep and hibernate timers. Expand sleep, set sleep after to a specific minute value or to never if you prefer no automatic sleep. Also check Allow Hybrid Sleep and Hibernate After. Set them consistently to avoid conflicts. You do this finish by clicking Apply and OK, then save changes and restart the laptop so Windows applies everything cleanly. After reboot, test by leaving the machine idle for the time you set. Confirm it doesn't enter sleep. If it still sleeps, update device drivers, disable wake timers in advanced power settings, and verify sleep mode options in the BIOS/UEFI. Sometimes firmware overrides Windows. As a single troubleshooting tip, update the chipset and graphics drivers first, because driver conflicts are
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.